Shoots! How's it? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a glow-in-the-dark glow wall. Alright, let's go! Okay, so we have this blinds thing for this part of the video. Okay, so we have this blinds thing that we're gonna use for the glow wall. Check it out. Blind.
What are these things called?
Yeah. So first, what you wanna do is you wanna clean the surface. Really good. What we're going to use here is glow-in-the-dark phosphorescent paint. It's just glow green. All you gotta do is just paint. Paint. Up, down, up, down, up, down.
Just say off.
Not like that. Not like that. Up. Down, up, down, up, down. No, not like that. Not like that. Up, down, up, down. I was too lazy to go to Home Depot to get a bigger brush. So, working with this, and the other one's a little bit bigger, but I would use a roller. It's probably faster. So we're using Wildfire paint here. You might want to use a primer before that, but I ain't got time for that. Okay. So we're gonna put second coat. Probably recommended 2-3 coats. Yeah. This speeds up the drying process because I don't have all day for this. I gotta shampoo my hair, you know, and then blow dry it. Yeah. Second coat going down, and you might want to do this where it's not so windy. Some of it here. Get stuff stuck in the paint. That's alright.
Debris.
Three hours later. So after 3 coats, it should look something like this. Okay, so we just hung it up. It's all dried and ready to go. We just have to wait for that sun to go down, and then we could test it out. I'll be right back. So what we're using here is just a little laser. It doesn't need to be blacklight. All you have to do is have some kind of light source.
Hey, that sounds pretty good handwriting.
really hope you enjoyed this video. If you got value out of this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification for future Blacklight content. Thank you for watching. Mahalo!